algebra. Algebra is branch of mathematics like arithmetic, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, analytical geometry, like that. Many branches are there. Algebra is one of the branches of mathematics. What is it? In this algebra, we use letters instead of numbers. So, the rules that are applicable in arithmetic are also applicable in algebra. But there are some changes in this branch. If I write x into y, we simply write xy. Here into is missing. Similarly, in another problem, x into y into z, this is simply x, y, z. Third problem, a into b into c, this is simply ab, c. Suppose if I write like y into x, you cannot write yx here. You have to write it xy. The order is important. First x, then y. Similarly, a into c into b. In this problem also you have to write ABC, not ACB. Because this order A comes first, then B, then C, A, B, C. If I write number and A, this is 2A. But 7 into Y, you have to write 7Y. Because you have learned numbers first, then letters. So you have to write 7y. First, the order is important. So A into 3 into B. In this problem, you have to write 3AB. B into C into A into 5. In this problem, you have to write again ABC only. Order is important. First of all, you have to write numbers, then ABC. Now the question is, if you write A into A, how to write A into A? You can't write A. If I write A into A, if I write simply A, this is wrong. You have to write it as A square. This is read as A square. Similarly, if you write 3 times, you have to write A cube. If it is written 4 times, A into A into A into A raised to 4, A raised to 4, A raised to 5, A raised to 6, like that. If the same letter is used 2 times, you have to write A square. Same letter is used here, A cube. Similarly, x into x, x square. M into M square. So, 3 into a into a. This is 3a square. Same rules. One rule combines, enters into another rule. This is about multiplication. Division. Division is also same thing. Suppose if x divided by y is simply x upon y. That's all. These RHS, this left or right hand side equal to, after equal to sign, they are right hand side. These are called left hand sides. LHS, RHS. Here these are called terms. 7y, 3b, 5abc, a square, a cube. They are all called terms. T-E-R-M. Terms. These terms can be combined with a plus or minus sign. Suppose if I write 2a plus 3b, it has two terms. 5xy minus 3x. Two terms. You can combine with plus or minus. These are two terms. Term is used. Plus or minus. There are two terms. This entire thing is called as expression, algebraic expression. Two a plus 3b is algebraic. Similarly, 5xy minus x is also expression. These are the new terms, expression, term, they are all new words we are introducing in algebra. 3xy. This 3 is called coefficient of xy. Coefficient of xy. So the number is called coefficient, 3xy. The coefficient of y is 3x. The coefficient of 3y is x. Like that you can separate number. Coefficients can be identified. Now let us go to addition of terms. You know, 3 books if I write plus 5 books is 8 books. You can here easily write. Similarly, 8 pens plus 2 pens is 10 pens. They can very easily added. Now you can write it in algebra. 3 plus 5b is 8b. Similar term bb only. They can be added. Even you can subtract. Suppose 3 pens minus 1 pen is equal to 2 pens. You can also subtract. That means 3p minus p is 2p. Here, even though I have written p, means 1p. If 1 is silent there. So, 3p minus p is 2p. Like that, 5xy minus 2xy is 3xy. If I write add, you can add also. 8x square plus 3x square is 8 plus 3, 11x square. 1 pen, the 2 books. 1 pen plus 2 books cannot be added. The answer is simply 1 plus 1p plus 2b. You can't further add because they are different. Different things cannot be added. Only these are simplest you can't add. Even the you can't subtract. But here you can add or subtract. So similar terms can be added or can be subtracted. That's it.